So I'm doing an unboxing of a hat that I got made for me from a company called Wild Hats out of Louisville, Kentucky. I ordered it some time ago, and it takes time to get the material in. And I was supposed to go and have it fitted, custom fitted for me in store, but that wasn't possible. It didn't work out. So I did a FaceTime with them, and we'll see how this goes, how it, it turned out. Been better to be there. Now I already cut the box. My footage from me cutting wasn't on. The film wasn't on. So started this again, but this has already been cut. And we have a box inside of the box. Very nice box they put that in. Oh, got a nice little carrying case for it. The black hat. Wanted a little bit of a fedora style to it. Got a rattlesnake band put on there. Little tail end to it. And what I like they do, so you know who made it, they put their little gold nail in the back there. It's kind of cool. I like that. I always like that about it. So I'm going to take and turn this off to restart it, but I'm going to put this on. See how it looks. All right. Oh, nice little looking logo to it inside the hat. There you go. I think I turned out a little better than I thought it would. Don't know why I didn't think it wouldn't turn out good. They do really good work there. So yeah, that's my unboxing of my Wild Hats new cowboy hat. Appreciate it. Like the work. So what I did forget again to say, the reason they do the gold nail in the back, that's so you know who made it, baby. And this was done by Chandler at Wild Hats. Again, I love this. It's awesome. There's so much more than I thought it would be. And again, thanks Chandler, appreciate it. Stay wild.